I've spent 5 years trying to build a wall around my life, but all it did was trap me. This is a channel for people who want to create, without turning their entire lives into content. People who want a window, not a spotlight. For 5 years, I kept saying that I'd start, but I didn't. Not because of the gear, not because I didn't have time. It was because of the cost. The cost of putting my life, my son's life, onto an unforgiving internet. It felt like a betrayal of the quiet, protected life I've been building. That was my brick wall. But then, there was the other side. I'm a photographer. It became my anchor in a tough time. This creating has an innate draw I can't ignore. So I was stuck in a standoff. The draw to create, running right into the wall of privacy. And for 5 years, that wall won. I kept asking the question, how do I tear down the wall? But the real question was, how do I build a window? A window lets you choose what you show. It lets you control the frame. It lets you expose the process without discarding the sanctuary. That's what this channel is. Think of it as my public field notes. I'm not a guru. I'm a private creator documenting the build. I'm willing to bet you have a project, a camera in a bag, a business you haven't started, all because you're caught somewhere between that standoff. The draw to create and the compulsion to stay hidden. This channel is my way of figuring that out, from building this private set, to teaching my son photography, to beating the daily monster that is procrastination. So if you're stuck in the middle, I hope you'll subscribe. Let's build this window together.